everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chandni Pandya, and today I'm gonna show you how you can do your own eyebrow and upper lips at home in minutes. Like, it's almost been 3 weeks since we all are in this quarantine together, and I believe that this is the best time when you learn something new and do it by all yourself. So without further ado, let's get started.
So before we begin, tie your hair into a nice ponytail to keep your hair away when you are threading. Other things that we'll need for the threading is a thread. This you can easily find at your home, a scissor, loose powder, and some cotton balls for the application of the loose powder. So when you apply the loose powder, it will create a rough texture on your skin, so it will make the process easy and pluck out the hair from your skin. It is also helpful to prevent any pain during the threading. So the second step is to trim your eyebrows. So here I'm trimming the extra hair from my eyebrow. This will also help me in defining the shape of my eyebrow. Just make sure that you don't overdo it and trim the extra hair only. So now the second step is to take out the thread. Define its length as per your convenience. I'm doubling it. And now we will create a loop by making 1 or 2 knots at the ends. And that's the loop. So now we'll twist it for 7 to 8 times. So that twist creates the tension when you are doing the threading, and it will pluck out the hair from your skin. So here, just make sure to follow the opposite direction of the hair growth. That is the number 1 rule. So when you are doing your upper lip, make sure to tighten the skin with your tongue. This will help you in finding out the hair easily and pluck them out. So as you can see, I'm going in the opposite direction of the hair growth. When you go further, you just need to adjust the direction of your threading according to the hair growth. So when it comes to the eyebrows, of course we need to follow the same rule, that will go into the opposite direction of the hair growth. The other thing that you need to make sure is to maintain the contact between your skin and the thread. This will prevent any irritation or pain. These are 2 golden rules when it comes to threading. Just follow the process throughout and you're good to go. One of the major benefits of threading your face, or at least your eyebrows and upper lips, is that it will give you the clear results. It will remove any dead skins. So here you can see I'm also threading my forehead for the better results. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just follow the simple process and you will be done.
So that was it. That's how you can do your own eyebrow and upper lips at home within minutes. And once you're done with it, just apply any aloe vera gel that you have on your face to prevent any irritation. So that was it. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.